Okay, he's going a little too deep. He's gonna have to fix his heels coming off the floor. But besides that, not too bad. Okay, so we're gonna fix here. Go a little wider, shoulder width apart. Point your toes just a little bit out. All right, now go ahead and start when you're ready. I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Stop right there. That's as far as you want to go. Now explode through your heels on the way up. It's good. Okay, let's see it. It's good. Don't go too deep now. It's good. And the stronger you get, probably the deeper you could go, or just till you meet parallel. But that looks good. So his deadlift wasn't that bad. He just needs to bend his knees more, and he needs to have a proud chest while doing it. So I recommend going shoulder width apart and just like that. Okay, it's looking better. Just drop it all the way. Yep. Push through your heels. It's better.